Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for coming days. I've stopped doing date-wise reading because people expect things to happen in those particular days that the forecast is read for. And time is very fluid in tarot. Things don't happen or universe doesn't work as per our calendar, our date. So let's see what your coming days have. This is a mid-month reading actually, the way I'm doing it. So there's a lot of good times coming in, a lot of communication coming in, moving fast towards something new, something better, happiness, celebrations. Let's see what the Knight of Swords is all about. So yes, you worked hard in the past for something. You have, you have really, uh, you have gone through things which didn't make you happy. You've still, let things happen. But I think this is a time of wish fulfillment. Star card is here. So all that past hurt, all that past struggles that you've been through, whether in work or in relationships, are bound to change for good. Let me take one more card. Okay, one more card won't do. So in those of you in love, we will come out of a third party. I think they will decide whether, because lovers is here, star is here, so they will decide that you are the one. And King of Wands is again your energy. You are very passionate. You are very focused about. Focused about your future. Very stable person. So maybe the third party or the person that you're dealing with will see this. Lover's card. Yes, there is love. There is, in short, there is overcoming of challenges that you have faced, Capricorn. What do more major arcana cards say? Chariot, fast incoming changes. Hangman and the Fool. Again, perspective change, things change, very quick changes coming your way for good. Those of you looking for love messages, let's see what the love messages are. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. You are unique and believe that. We all of us are. You are destined for greatness in terms of love. So whatever struggles you have faced in love, oh my god, I was about to say this line while I was talking to you. Earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for great stuff. You are bound to meet your soulmate in this life. And whatever struggles you have been through were all rehearsals for this, and you are unique in your own way, and you will find a unique soulmate that is only meant for you. Good cards, Capricorn. Let's see how you can handle this. Be kind, which all of us are required to. Be humble. Humility always pays. And sacrifice. Sacrifice doesn't mean that you need to sacrifice everything. Sacrifice needs that in order to make people around us happy, we need to be a little humble, be a little understanding needs to be there of people and their needs. That is what is required to have a happy home, to have a happy environment around us. That is all I have for you. I think things look really good. Things will start looking good post this week. This week is a transformation week for all of us, and things are looking for better. Things are changing for better. So that's why the transformation is required for all of us. That's all I have for you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.